Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Jenny from Polly's Paper Studio, and today I want to share the card I created for the Really Reasonable Ribbon August Ribbon Club Assortment blog hop. All of the team are creating our projects using the Ribbon Club Assortment. This is the autumn collection, and it has beautiful satiny ribbons and grosgrain and lace. I've chosen the beautiful taffeta ribbon to create this sweet little poofy bow. I topped it with a natural burlap string and a vintage button, and then I used the lace to create a nice border at the bottom, which is a beautiful detail that adds a lot of texture. So for the papers, I'm using the BoBunny fall collection from last year. I really love this fox. Originally I thought it might be big, but once I started layering it, I thought that he was really sweet. I added the vellum ticket to the top as an extra detail, and I stapled that with my tiny attacher, so it just adds a little bit of texture with that metal staple. And then these are actual vintage buttons that I got for my birthday last year on a trip to the vintage shop. So I included that because this is just a color that cannot be replicated with new buttons, so you have to use the real old ones. These flowers are from Little Birdie Crafts, and they are the Rosalind and also the Pearl Blossom. So I used more of the twine looped inside so that I could fill this in and add some bulk to the arrangement, and then it sort of gives it a nice framed effect around the fox. I also added this doily. This is the Tea Party doily from Cherry Lynn Designs, and then I topped that with the burlap pattern so that I would have a nice area to add the fox that wouldn't get busy with the paper pattern. So this is the card I created for the August Ribbon Club blog hop, and if you want to check out any of these products, I will leave links in the description below for them, as well as links for our social media sites. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook, and our blog and our Etsy shop. As always, I'm wishing you a happy and productive day. If you're not already, I would love for you to subscribe, leave me a like and a comment, and I thank you so much for watching. Bye.